Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, so today we're going to be making these really fun embellishments that I have here. I like how they turned out. They're really easy to make, and I thought they would be beautiful to create for Valentine's Day. It's actually two little hearts and you have a key going right through the heart. So beautiful, and such a great embellishment to add to a really fun gift for Valentine's Day. And so I'm going to show you how to make them, literally with a few supplies. So we have here these Dollar Tree wooden hearts that they have. These are very simple and very easy to work with. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. I think you can probably find them at Michael's. It's not really too hard to find, but it is starting to be a little bit difficult to find things for Valentine's Day now. I've noticed that a lot of the stores don't have a lot of things out. So if you happen to have a hard time trying to locate these, just use regular heart stickers or even make your own with paper. So don't go crazy if you can't find these. But I'm going to make these really beautiful embellishments using these wooden hearts. I'm going to pick a red one and I'm going to pick a pink one. And basically what we're going to do is literally just layer these hearts together. So I have here double-sided dimensions that I want to use. And I'm just going to add it on the back of my heart, the little one, that is, this one right here. And what I want to do is I want to add this little heart right in the center of the red one. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that my heart does not fall anywhere. And I'm going to place this right in the center of the heart. You should get something that looks like this. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually add the key that's going through the heart. The key that I'm using is these keys right here. Now, I got these at the Dollar Tree by the crafting section where they have the stickers. And these are just like laser cut keys. And they're actually, it's like a very lightweight cardboard, so it's very easy to cut and it's also very easy to bend. So you have to be very careful on handling these little keys. They have tons of different other things. They also have hearts if you want to use these beautiful laser cut hearts. They have animals, they have flowers, they have a whole bunch of variety of different things. So we're going to use the actual key to embellish this beautiful heart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut my key in half. It's not that difficult to cut because, again, this cardboard is very light. And what we're going to do is we're going to add half of the key on this side right here, and the other half of the key on this end right here. That's going to give the illusion that the heart and the keys are going right through the heart. I love that. I love that. So let's hot glue this portion of the key. And just add the key on the back of your heart, just like so. As you can see there. And we're going to add the other part of the key on this end right here. So it's going to look kind of like it's going that way. A little bit of hot glue. Make sure you position it how you want, and then you're going to glue it down. You should get something that looks like this. How pretty that looks, right? I love it. Beautiful. All right, so the next thing I did with these is I just basically added a small little heart right in the center, a very sparkly, gorgeous heart that I got at Walmart. These stickers I got at Walmart. I'm going to add the heart right in the center. Just like so. And that's just going to give it a really nice little sparkle to the heart. See that? And then we're going to add cupcake liners. Yay! All right, so I have these little mini cupcake liners. You guys know how much I love my cupcake liners. So we're going to add it as a little embellishment. So we're going to fold the cupcake liner in half. We're going to hold it and we're going to gather it together. And then we're going to open it. And you're going to create a nice little fluffy, ruffle looking embellishment like this. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to actually glue down the heart right here. I'm going to glue down the heart right over the cupcake embellishment. First, we're going to add some double-sided dimension because it's going to actually give the cupcake liner something to hold on to. And we're just going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that our embellishment doesn't go anywhere. And we're basically going to add this to the center of the cupcake liner, just like that. And the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a nice little tiny bow to the corner right here of the heart. Let's see. I think I made my bow. If I can locate it, let me see. Here it is. I already made my little bow using my gold and silver thread. And all I'm going to do is basically cut my little ends because they're a little bit too long. And I'm going to hot glue my little bow right in this corner right here. And we are done. That's it. We're done. And that is how we create this beautiful embellishment. I love it. It's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. How gorgeous this turned out. So, so, so beautiful. Look at these. See that? These are just such a beautiful looking embellishment. I absolutely adore the key going right through the heart. I think it just gives it such a beautiful detail and just so perfect for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these really beautiful embellishments, and I hope that you try to create them. Make sure that you tag me on Instagram if you make these so that I can see how your beautiful work turned out. All right, my beautiful crafty friends, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you all so much for your beautiful comments. Make sure you thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. I will see you on another lovely tutorial in a few days. All right, my loves, have a fantastic weekend. Bye, honey bunnies.